guys, it's your girl Royalty Roots, and I'm back with another video. Today we are doing the infamous coffee station. I'm not gonna do a whole decorate with me because I've done it before on my channel a million times. So I'm just gonna show you guys the before, and I'll show y'all the after. I'll show y'all what all we putting up here and where I got it from and all of the above. So this is what it looks like in the beginning. Of course, we're changing it to a hot cocoa bar. So this is the beginning of everything the mister has. Here's his little towels to match the whole buffalo check theme. And the coffee pots he have now, but we're gonna switch everything out. So I'll be back and I'll show you guys the end. Okay, you guys, here goes all of the stuff. I know it's a lot to go in that little area, but we're gonna make it happen. Let me show y'all what we got. Here's the Cookies and Company Mrs. Claus sign. This came from Target Dollar Spot. And of course, all my little tumblers from Dollar Tree. And this one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. This one says same thing. And, this one have the red truck with the Christmas tree and the snowman. This one says deck the halls. Then we have these little trees. I probably just set them somewhere on there. And you know, I did a DIY using these two hot cocoa packs. I'm just going to throw those up there. I also use these as well. And I'm just going to add those to this little mug. And it says, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. I'm going to add these to it. And then most likely these peppermint spoons. Uh-oh, that's too close, y'all. The candy cane spoons I got from Dollar Tree. Then I've seen these at, I think they were at Walmart. I'm going to add those. Then these straws, I can't remember where I got them from. It says $4.99. Ain't no way I paid that much for them. So it must have came from Hobby Lobby, and they must have been like half off. Then got this Santa cookies for Santa plate. And then I got all these little treats. This one is dark coated with peppermint cookie. And then this one is milk chocolate coated with marshmallows hot cocoa spoon. And then this one is milk chocolate coated with salted caramel hot cocoa spoon. And I think that's it. All the rest of them are just alike. Oh no, this one has peppermints on it. So I got those. Then I got these. I don't think they're going on there. So this just some shot glasses, chocolate shot glasses. I doubt if that goes on there, but I bought them from Big Lots and I just had them in this pile. But these will go on there, and these are chocolate spoons. This one is the caramel macchiato, and then that one is the hazelnut flavored. Then I have these peppermint barks. I already opened them because I, of course, did a DIY on those. Then I have these 24 peppermint tree shapes. And these came from Ross. And I think they were like $3. They were $4. Then, of course, we have the marshmallows. Can't have hot cocoa with no marshmallows, you guys. Then I got, it's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. I think I'm going to use these lights on there. So I got 2 of these, the LED lights, and I got one pack of batteries. Hopefully that's the right size. I didn't even pay that no mind. But then we have, this is the vanilla, then the Cocoa of Christmas. This was $10 from Big Lots, and here's all the different hot cocos. Then this one have the coffee, and it's 12 coffees of Christmas, and it shows you all the different ones it has for Christmas. So I'm about to set this stuff up and I will show you guys the finish. I know y'all looking like, girl, that's a lot to go on that little space, but y'all know how I do. So let me get started and I'll show y'all the finish. Okay, you guys, here's the dilemma. These lights, y'all see it says yellow, right? But then again, the pack looks orange, right? And when you turn these on, what you get? Orange. Y'all, it look a mess over there. It looks more Halloweenish than actual Christmas lights. They look more Halloween lights. Once I put it against the black, let me show y'all. See? They look orange. Well, through the camera, they don't look as orange as they actually look in person. So I'm not going to use these. They're cute though. Maybe I'll save them for Halloween and use them in a Halloween DIY. Or even a spring DIY. But right now, they looking too orange for me. Like, way too orange for me. Y'all can't tell from the camera, but they orange, y'all. They way too orange, so we're not going to use those. But let me show you guys the finish of our coffee bar. Okay, you guys, this is the finish. Isn't it cute? So simple. I got everything on there that I wanted. Have the sign right there. I have the little Santa plate with the little cocoa cakes on there. Excuse the little, you guys see the little white pieces everywhere. That's from the little trees. But you got your spoons and then the cocoa peppermints. Then I just set this one up there, you guys. And then I got cocoa on one side, and then it was only 12, so I put the other cocoa at the bottom. And then on this side, we have the coffee, and then I finish it off with the coffee that we already had as well. Super duper cute. I think I'm leaving it on this side because the mister drinks more coffee than we do the hot cocoa. But then we have this area right here. I just set everything in this little basket. Then I added the marshmallows in there and the little peppermint barks in here, and put our tumblers up, put some straws up, and that's the finish. You guys, I just had to sit these over here because they are just in a little pack. They're not individually wrapped like these are. And the peppermint Christmas tree suckers, they're not. They just in the pack, and once you open it, it's just that. So I just had to leave them just like that for them to be able to use them. And yeah, let me fix that. So I'm going to give y'all a pan around, and then that will be the finish of our video. Okay, you guys, today is day 4 of 12 days of Christmas for the mister. I'm going to show you guys what I bought him for Christmas, and then that will be the end of our video. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed seeing the coffee bar for the fall Christmas time, and looking forward to see what we come up with for Valentine's. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show y'all day 3 and 4 of his 12 days of Christmas. Day 3 goes with day 2. I gave him some candles from Bath and Body Works. And now I'm giving him, since we're getting ready to travel this weekend, I'm giving him some travel Bath and Body Works body wash and lotion and some cologne. Then we have a semi-formal event we're going to, and not this weekend coming up, the following weekend we got a semi-formal event we gotta go to. So I bought him this cummerbund, I think that's how you say it, cummerbund and bow tie. You can't see that it's an actual bow tie or a cummerbund, but let's turn it this way. I think it's cummerbund or cummer. I don't know how to pronounce it, you guys, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The thing they wear when they wearing a tuxedo. That's what it is, for if you don't know what it is. But this tie and this came together, and this thing, this box, I'm sorry y'all, I'm just saying thing, I'm tired. Just got off work and I'm tired. But anywho, so this is one gift, and then this is another gift because I forgot to give him this gift yesterday because I got off work late yesterday as well as today. So I forgot to give him this yesterday, but I'm giving him to this today and this as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Also, if it's your first time watching, hey girl, hey, I'm Road to Ruth. Sorry I'm not on the video today, you guys, but I just got off work and I kind of look a mess, so don't feel like all that. But thanks for watching again, and bye.